Thank you guys for stopping by. In this video, we're going to be talking about the proper application of a relaxer retouch. My product of choice is the Affirm Fiber Guard system. By no means is Affirm sponsoring this video, but that's just my product of choice. If you notice here, I used the brush. This is my tool of choice. Some stylists use the applicator brush, but I like this brush because it gives less irritation to the scalp when applying. If you use the brush and you don't hold it properly, you could puncture the scalp and cause irritation and possibly burning when you're applying the chemical. If you notice, I started out in the fourth section. If you watch the previous video, you will see I based the scalp well with the Affirm Gentle Assurance. I'm checking the hair for clean parts to make sure when I start the application, I will have control in each panel that I start. As I start applying the chemical, I'm starting at the top, the crown area, which in most cases is the most resistant in client's hair. You can do your consultation and examine the scalp to see the severity of the coarseness and what area you want to start in. I'm applying a 1/2 inch from the scalp. Notice, folks, I'm not laying that relaxer directly on the scalp, but I'm focusing primarily on the regrowth area only. When administering a relaxer retouch, it is imperative that you focus on the regrowth area only and not allowing the chemical to overlap or touch the scalp. Now, we know that we're all human and you're going to get some of the product. However, you want to make it as minimum as possible, that client feels no discomfort, that we will get the maximum amount of curl reduction that is required for that relaxer service. Now, if you notice, I'm just working my way down the side panel, the first panel. I'm going to apply to the nape area last. The nape area is considered to be one of the sensitive zones, so you want to take the necessary precautions there as well. Notice, guys, look at those clean partings and sections. Notice, guys, I'm almost at the end of my application as I work my way around the hairline, working away from my client's face to ensure added protection. Now, as I'm finishing up the application process, I'm going to go through and begin my smoothing. The smoothing is very important. Always remember that the relaxer works. It does what it's supposed to do, so there's no need to comb or tug on the hair. Now, after you've completed your smoothing, remember to allow the relaxer to process for a manufactured allotted time. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please stay on the lookout for more videos and updates to come.